Yeah. So I leave this and now I'm come here, so. This are how I keep my seasoning there.
Oh,
okay. Probably nothing all type of seasoning.
Okay. Gangali kitchen.
Sorry, I'm going to use some Larry's.
Some what?
Larry's seasoning. Originally we used to like some back home.
Okay.
With some pimento.
Okay.
I'm going to use some complete.
Okay.
This don't have too much salt.
Oh, okay.
It's not having the salt, you know. If you're diabetic, this good for you to use.
Okay. So you hear all the diabetic people?
Yeah.
Use that?
Yeah. Garlic powder.
Garlic powder.
Yes. And this is chicken seasoning.
Oh, okay.
This will make the chicken have a good taste.
Yeah. So you put in the jerk seasoning last?
No, don't read the jerk seasoning, that last. That's the last one I put in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like a chicken seasoning now. Yeah, like a chicken seasoning. Like a garlic powder. And then we got garlic in there with it. Like a Larry's. I love to put Larry's salt.
Oh, okay.
Larry's a seasoning salt.
Yeah, you don't want the chicken to have too much salt in it.
And then I put in the jerk seasoning of salt too.
Oh, okay.
So you don't want to put in too much of that in there.
Yeah.
Yes, so with this pimento. I think it's good enough. This bag almost finished, but I think this is good enough. Still I want a big bag of so still. I'll have pimento in.
Oh,
never run out of pimento in my house.
Yeah.
I can't cook no food and meat at all without pimento and my rice and peas, you know. After having pimento.
Oh.
It's a must.
But the pimento give it that flavor,
yes,
right?
Man. Pimento, man. We can't cook everything without.
That's Jamaican flavor.
Yes. Some people when they cook chicken, jerk chicken, then put browning in there.
Yeah.
Me not do it.
Oh, you don't put browning in your chicken?
No, cause you see the browning, you gotta make the chicken burn up.
Okay.
Cut off the sugar. The chicken brown, never make the chicken burn up and it's already brown. So when the chick say jerk, it don't jerk, but it look like it jerk through it and get black.
Oh.
Burn.
I never know that.
Yes, I mean I use browning. The grill itself brown the chicken.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. The grill itself brown the chicken. So whenever you're cooking chicken, don't season to put in the browning.
Oh, okay.
Don't season to put in the browning. Yeah, add a few pimento seed in it. Yes. And go back again. I put a cacao.
What's that you put in?
Cacao vinegar.
Oh, okay. You put the apple cider
vinegar.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yes. That's why I do my thing on time, you know. I work off a time, you know. Like I do my thing 12 o'clock. Start all 3-4 hours before.
Oh, okay.
I'm in a rush.
Yeah.
I take time to do my thing. Yes, make waste. The thing now make taste good. So I do my thing ahead of time. So I got all the time. Now, see me I go to my work out there now.
Oh, that's the jerk season?
Yes.
Okay.
So, going to my jerk seasoning now. This the jerk seasoning. So. Let me go now. After that, I'm gonna make my sauce when I'm almost done to go on it, you know. cock him back properly. We keep them at downstairs. We keep them at downstairs. But then cooler. So I deal with it now. More we keep them at downstairs. At downstairs, they have to cool it, keep in a cool temperature.
Yeah.
Yeah, so now I'm gonna season up now, rubbing the season now.
Gangali jerk chicken.
Yeah.
Wow, it smells good. Really.
Alright, so what we do now is I add a little paprika. It's a nice brown color.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's why when we get the jerk chicken, we see have that brownness on it.
Yes, the paprika gives a little color. Just a little bit of paprika.
Oh, okay.
So me use this instead of browning, because browning me taste it burn up the chicken.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Make it look like a jerk when it's a jerk. So just use a little paprika. It's a beautiful color. So right now we have everything here now. Just rubbing everything. Rubbing everything.
Massage the chicken.
Oh yeah. Season everything.
Massage the breast, don't you creamy? Massage the breast.
Oh yeah. Everything massage. So you see, them look hole, you see me that stab up in it.
Yeah.
All these juice goes in this like hole.
Oh, okay.
Feed it to the bone. Oh yeah, say to the bone. Yeah. To the bone. When you hit you know and dash with the bone and you dash with the bone, you never seen a puss out here, but when you jerk chicken you say puss all the morning time, I search for bone.
Cause they can smell it
Just from far, man. Yeah, munching us in a puss, but you say, have the jerk chicken you say puss come down. Yeah man, that's for the thing.
So after you season it up, how long you let it stay for? Like
No.
for a day?
Yeah, make it stay for a day.
Oh, okay.
The chicken season set in a real.
Oh, okay.
Put it, but you have to keep it in the fridge,
Yeah.
cool temperature. Yeah. Season set in it.
What we're gonna do now? Oh, okay.
I'm gonna have to